The spindle is the heart of every machine tool. Even the smallest geometric or dimensional deviation on this unit directly affects the precision of the entire system. During machining, the spindle transmits the full cutting force onto the workpiece, making it a genuine high-tech component. One CNC manufactures and assembles all spindle units entirely in-house. Our process begins with the automatic transfer of raw materials from the warehouse to the first station. Here, the basic form of the spindle is created through turning and milling operations carried out in a single setup on highly capable multi-axis machines. The components are then subjected to tempering using specially designed fixtures to guarantee maximum wear resistance. Any distortions formed during heat treatment are corrected on high-precision grinding machines. The outer diameter and face surfaces are ground in a single setup to achieve the spindle's critical dimensional and positional tolerances. The threaded sections of the spindles are also ground to achieve precise geometry and surface quality. On hole grinding machines equipped with 4 spindles and a highly accurate B-axis, holes of various sizes and diameters are machined in a single setup using appropriate grinding wheels, ensuring perfect concentricity. Before measurement, each spindle is conditioned for 24 hours in a controlled environment. They are then tested using ultra-precise measuring equipment capable of detecting deviations smaller than 1/10,000th of a millimeter. Only spindles that meet the strict quality criteria with deviations less than 1,000th of a millimeter are approved, packaged, and transferred to the automated storage system. The warehouse, managed by an ERP integrated automated storage system, provides all necessary components in a fully controlled manner. The assembly of critical components and bearings onto the spindle shaft requires utmost care and years of experience. After assembly, each spindle is dynamically balanced and its concentricity precisely measured. It is then coupled with the spindle housing and subjected to a series of temperature, vibration, and resonance tests inside the test chamber. Only spindles that pass all these tests flawlessly are released to the main assembly line for installation on the machine. With its deep manufacturing expertise and know-how, One CNC ensures consistent, high quality, and precision across all its machine tools.